With its intelligent features and stylish design, this chimney cooker hood from AEG is ideal if you want a steam-free kitchen. It has a 55 decibel noise level, so it's ideal if you're looking for a quieter model. And it can clear steam at a rate of 779 cubic meters per hour, making it perfect for large kitchens. AEG's smart hob-to-hood function allows your cooker hood and hob to work together to keep your kitchen steam-free. Using a wireless connection, your hob adjusts the cooker hood's fan speed automatically based on your cooking settings. This means when you add or remove pans from the hob, the cooker hood will change its performance to match. So, whether you're preparing a small snack or a dinner for two, the air in your kitchen will always be perfectly clean and clear. This model's amazing LED lighting system will give you all the brightness you need to create delicious food. The long-lasting and powerful LED lights on the bottom of the cooker hood will instantly illuminate your hob when selected. Now, whenever you rustle up your favorite dishes, your cooking skills will always shine through. If you're looking for a chimney cooker hood to quickly clear your kitchen of steam, this stylish model from AEG is an excellent choice.